And everyone, hope you are doing good. So in this video, I'm going to show you what essential app you must need to add into your product page. So this actually will make your website into the next level. So I'm going to show you step by step. So let me show you my current product page. So if I go to the one of my product, as you can see, my product is pretty simple, not too very not urgency added, not like limited stock added, this kind of stuff, nothing actually added. Pretty simple and straightforward. So we will make it like high converting. So to do that, first of all, you have to install a couple of apps. So I'm going to show you how you can do that step by step. So watch until the end. By the way, this is my agency website. If you need any type of help, like for example, a lot of people actually whenever they're created, they're facing a lot of issue. So at this point, you can mention your problem over here. I can definitely help you. That's pretty much it. And then if you want, you can see our portfolio as well. That's it. So as you can see, here's the home page, product page, all this page you have done before. So if you want, you can explore them. That's so first of all I have to do is go to the apps, and after that, let's search the it's taking. Let's go to apps first. Okay, so I'm gonna write something, so it will take to the app store. Okay. So as you can see, first we are installing this Globo switch color. So this apps looks will be like that. So why I'm using this, because our variants image looks will be like that. So here actually will show variant instead of showing color. Here we will show image. Okay, so people can understand the variants looks. Have we got it? So let's come into over here, and once you come on over here, as you can see, it's a free plan available as well. So if you want, you can actually take the free plan. As you can see, continued free plan. You have to click on over here. And after that, you have to click, as you can see, and here actually showing you theme, which theme actually you want to select. I will do it later. Go to the theme editor. So let's click the I will do it later. And as you can see, as the settings, so as all the settings actually have appearance from here. Actually you can change the which color actually we want. Set up now, help shopper find faster. Okay, so as you can see, the boost your conversion with a small filter and suggest. So set up now. Let's see why it's this is another apps. So this is like a for filter. So I'm gonna come into our main apps. So as you can see here, is deeper. I'm gonna set up this one, and as you can see, this looks will be like that. So as you can see, everything looks good. So if you want, you can explore one of them. So as you can see, whenever someone moving another one, so this scale up. So I'm gonna set up this one, and then if I scroll down, stock product message. So this is also show stock only number. Okay, so this message will show also over there. So color, for the color is, so for the variant it looks will be like that. Pretty simple and straightforward. Here is the preview. So on collection page, so this is also shown the collection page. You can make it square, fit, and then also you can make it circle. I'm gonna keep it circle. That looks good. So I can also keep it this one, so you can explore by yourself. So let's save this first, and then I'm gonna go to my website, and then I'm gonna add it. Okay, so first let's go to the store, and once I come to the store, all I have to do, just I need to click on the online store. And guys, our graphic designer also creating the banner. Previously I told you, as you can see here, the banner, maybe my graphic designer creating here, as you can see both of the banners. So I'm gonna add that into my website. Just currently I'm just focusing the product page because their delivery time is very low, and I'm gonna complete this first. Okay, so let's go to our store. So first step, you have to come to the apps enable. So click the enable. As you can see, you will see something to change is something gonna change over here. So let's click the save option from first. So guys, as you can see here, actually not showing the image. Okay, so why this is happening? Because we don't have any image variant on that. Okay, so if I go to my product, let me show you an example first. So let's go to the product page first, and then after that I'm gonna add the search bar. Let's click the search bar to find out the product, and once I find the product, so I'm gonna go to that, and then I will just add one image. So you will see that if I add the image, then at this point I will see the image on over there on the variant. Okay, so let's save that. Just I'm gonna delete it again because my client didn't add any image yet, so just I'm trying to show you so that you can see exactly how this work. So let's add this one. Now you will see an image. Okay, so let's see, as you can see, still not showing the image. So let's check one more time. Let's go to the website, and let's go to the customization. Let's go to the apps. As you can see, apps is enabled. That's perfect. Let's go to the product. Go to the product page. Let's click again. Sometimes those are making issues, so you don't have to worry about that. So they have a contact support team, so you can directly talk with them. So sometimes it doesn't make an issue. Now also guys, I have added this bundle option using these apps. I'm going to show you how I did that. Everything I'm going to show you, because sometimes a couple of apps are actually making mistake. So if you talk with the live support team, they will say that, yeah, give me your restore access. They will join with you, and then they will fix that. Okay, so right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the again apps, and I'm going to show you how I did this option. Okay, it's very important. It's actually increase your conversion. So first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to come to the global switcher. So I have to come to the bundle. Once you come on over here, as you can see, here's the new bundle. I name it. So let's click on the edit. And as you can see, all the product actually I have added. So as you can see, this looks like that. So you have to come to over here, and then you can show the bundle, and then you can look, so you can show something like that. So this is also good. This is by default. Let's save that, and let's see the preview. Okay, let's come into again over here, and let's refresh that. And now as you can see, it looks like that. So anyone, if anyone want, they can actually add this product as well to buy this product. Okay. So this is for the upscale. So I can add 5 products. So you can add 2 or 3 product. That's totally depend on you how you want. So as you can see, it's 1 2 3 4 5 product actually showing. You can control from here. So if you come into over here, as you can see, 5 product actually showing here. So if you delete one of them, those are gonna remove. Okay, that looks will be like that. Let's save it, and then you will see that. Okay, let's save it and let's refresh that. Now as you will see, those are will be removed. So you can keep it based on your own product. So that's all depend on you. If you have a similar this kind of product, you can add that so that people also can buy the similar related product. That's the main thing. So this way guys, you can set up these apps. Now we will move into the another apps called, let me go to the apps first. I'm gonna start that TR Transbridge. Okay, TRU, and then BI Biro, PAI Biro apps. Okay, so this is very good apps I ever see in my life, because with these apps you can do all lot of things at once without installing a lot of apps. So these 2 apps I'm gonna show you, because as you can see, my video already have been like 7 minutes, so I don't want to make it very longer. So what, install, cancel. So let's try again. Let's click the install, and from here let's delete the unnecessary tab from here, and then okay, let's delete this variant option. This option I already show you how this is work. Let's delete this one as well. Delete. Okay, so right now let's click the install first, and once I click the install, that's gonna install, and I have a few more tags into the apps. So on this is I will install, then all I have to do, just click the app and all box. If one you can explore, but I'm gonna go into the timer counter, so I'm gonna click the setup it now. Let's click on over here. As you can see, it's actually been opened, so it will be applied for all product. So timer counter, I will show you how this is work actually. So let's click the timer counter. So this is the the apps looks like that. So let's click the okay, so let's start that. Let's click the analyze. Now you have to install an extension. Let's click the install extension, and once you do that, let's click the add to Chrome, and let's click the extension. Okay, so this is really best app I ever seen. So extension have been added, so now you can easily add that. Verify now. Let's click on over here, active on enable app. So you have to active from the Shopify apps theme. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. So let's click on over here first, and then as you can see by apps, let's click the save option. Let's click the save option, so it will be saved. So once it is done, so I'm going to go back again. Let's start it, delete that. So verify now. I already done that. So once you active, just refresh this page. Okay, so don't forget to refresh so that it actually understand that you actually like enable the apps. So as you can see, it's working well, disabled, so it will show in my website. So timer 5 minutes, I can turn the 10 hour. Okay, so 10 hour. So hide for the timer, repeated the counter, hide for the timer, and then you can explore, and then combo you can do it like that, but I'm gonna keep it by default, and then you can add your own brand color. That's totally depend on you. You can keep it top, you can keep it bottom, so that's totally depend on you how high you want to keep. So let's save it from here. Okay, so let's go timer counter. So this is also applied. So if I click the verify now, the widget will be applied, add widget. So the widget will be added into our store. Okay, so pretty simple and straightforward. There are a lot of features that is for the product page especially. So if you want, you must need to use these apps. I 100% recommend. Okay, as you can see, timer this is at the very bottom. So it's gonna show, as you can see, this is very important. So let's keep it very top because I want to show it very top so that customer will trust after watching this. They should feel that, oh, their time very small, so I need to buy the product. This way they will think. So once you add anything, but don't forget to get save. So let's click the save option from here. And let's come to an again over here. This is also done, so I'm gonna remove these apps and then also remove this tab as well because this is no need for me. So let's come to an again over here. This is also no need. If I refresh, so whenever you work, don't keep too much, don't add too much tabs, so it will make you restore slower. Okay, so as you can see, that's totally done. So this is also done. Let's add the out of stock. So I'm gonna add this one as well. Let's click the verify now. Let's click the add widget. So this one will automatically add into my store. Let's delete this one for now because I already done that. So by also delete that. So this I'm also creating another client store, so that's why I'm making his banner. Okay, so as you can see, this stock timer actually added here, so I'm gonna keep it under the price. Okay, so now you will see that. So 1 second guys, sometimes it's making issue, I already told you. So once you added the block, you have to verify now as well again. So let's come to over here. Don't forget to give refresh guys, it's very important, it's very important. So as you can see, it's actually applied. So if I come to my product page and refresh that, if you refresh this one, so you will see that. Now let's wait for a couple of seconds to refresh it. So as you can see, why don't it come? Okay, come. Why not coming? So let's try again. So let's, maybe you have to do another work. As you can see, actually active. As you can see, previously it was deactive. So let's click the save option from here. And guys, one more thing, I don't try to skip anything. So and then also, if you want, you can keep this for a specific product, or you can keep all the product. I'm gonna keep it for all product, and it will show always. And shipping bar. So if you want, you can also add the shipping bar as well, shipping under the series. So I, in my theme, already have that animation add to cart. I'm gonna actually active that. So let's say always it will moving, stick add to cart. So this is also paid. So if you want to deactive, so maybe you have to pay it. As you can see, you have to pay it. Okay, so I'm not going to select that. At the very bottom, all of them are paid. So if you want, you can export them, which are actually free. So you can, if you want, you can export. All those are paid. All those are paid. Size chart as well, page size chart. So guys, and let's go to the agree timer. So I don't want to add that. Bestseller, paid. All these things are paid currently. So if we cannot add anything else for free. So everything is paid. So what is that man? Let's try. So cooker, oh, this one will come. So for accept cooking, so if you want, you can actually disable that. Let's do that. And privacy policy link, so I'm not going to do that. It's very, I think this is not necessary for me. So that's it for the app. So as you can see, I don't need to give anything save. So let's go to the store and go to the let's refresh that. After that, I'm going to show you the preview. Okay guys, so we have to wait for a couple of seconds to see the refresh, and so you can see it's actually as you can see, it's actually coming. So I can keep that under the add to cart. Okay, so let's come to over, click on over here and keep it under the add to cart. Okay, so it looks a little more good, so people will feel that, oh, it's ending, so they will try to buy that. Yeah guys, under that to cart. So let's remove this one for now, and then also I want to hide this. I don't need, because I want to keep add to cart. But that's pretty simple. Pay with PayPal, so this is also good. I'm gonna keep it as it is, and then also I'm gonna remove this one. I'm gonna hide that, and then I'm gonna add the trust page. Okay, so after adding the trust page, I think I will be done. So let's click the save option from here. So I'm gonna go to Shopify apps. Let's click the trust page, trust. If you search only trust, then trust page will come. As you can see, it's actually coming here. So all I have to do is just click the install. You know that I'm installing a lot of apps, but those are the essential apps. Without installing those apps, people are not gonna trust your brand. They will never buy your product. So guys, by the way, so if you want to learn more, this is my agency website. You can explore our portfolio, and then also you can, if you go to the homepage, you can see our previous client work, and then also a lot of things you can explore. You can directly book a call with me if you have any question, or also you can message me directly on the WhatsApp for quick response. So that's pretty much it. Let's move to the point. Okay, so this is our trust page. So here is also pretty simple, and like, let's click the enable, and let's make the security. I'm not gonna show that. And what else we can do it here. So let's make it mobile page, so make it smaller. Desktop page, if you make it smaller, it will show this small. So let's make it a medium as it is. Let's get this. Whenever it's gonna be done, I don't have to enter anything, just click the save option from here. That's been added into your store automatically. So if you go to the website, and then after that you have to click on the add to cart button. Let's click on over here and go to the apps and trust page. So you have to add that. So I'm gonna keep it under the, okay, I'm gonna keep it like that. Oh, that looks not like good, so I'm gonna keep it like this one. Okay, so as you can see, 99 in stock, I already added that. So I'm gonna come to the apps. I'm gonna come to this apps, and then I'm gonna remove that, because instead of keeping this one, this is very engaging, right? So let's go to the apps first. Let's go here. Let's go to the apps. I'm gonna come to the global color switcher. I'm gonna go on over here. Once I come to apps, and then I'm gonna actually remove the 99 in stock. I'm gonna remove that. So let's go to this one, which apps we set up. So this one, let's go here at the very bottom. As you can see, stock in product message. Let's hide that and click the save. So it will be removed. Okay, so one more thing guys I want to tell you. So as you can see here, so if you have any question, you can directly support, or you can talk with the support team. So that's not depend on you. So here the support stream available for you. So okay guys, let's come to again our Shopify store, and let's delete this one. This app's works done. So let's refresh that, and now you will see something new. The 99 actually removed. So how much time? Almost 15 minutes is too much. So guys, I will keep this video after showing this. So I'm gonna keep it under the variant. Okay, under the variant I'm gonna keep it here, and I also want to change the color. So if you want to actually, you can also change the color. Let's go to the Biro apps, and from here guys I'm gonna change the color. Okay, so let's go to the timer stock counter. So as you can see, I can scroll down a little bit, and then as you can see appearance settings, let's go to the text color. It will be white. Okay, so in this case what will be perfect? Background color, and this, oh, this is the text color, the white. Okay, perfect. Let's click the save. Let's go to the Shopify, and then I'm gonna save it, and then after saving that I'm gonna refresh that. Pretty simple and straightforward. Okay, so let's wait for a couple of seconds, and once this will be done, as you can see how clean is my website. Here's the limited offer. I can add the some benefit, but whenever it's gonna show mobile, if I add the benefit, they will never find the add to cart option whenever they visit. Okay, so that's why I'm trying to show you. I don't want to make it look so much longer. I want to keep it very small and pretty straightforward and simple. Okay, that's my main goal. As you can see, why there is too much space, I'm not sure. So let's try to fix that. But on the over here is perfect. Let's remove this one. Now also I want to remove this one as well, and I want to do one thing here. Let's click on the trust page, and let's click the add, and go to the short description, and then also I'm gonna keep the collapsible row. Okay, a collapsible tab, and from here I'm gonna write the description. Okay, so description, description, and after that what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click the dynamic source, and from here I'm gonna connect to my description. Okay, so as you can see, whenever someone click, and they will see our description. Okay, so now you will see our description will show here. Okay, as you can see, pretty simple and straightforward. And after that I'm gonna actually add our slider, and then also some of the benefit, and here's our FAQ section. Is pretty important. I'm gonna change the color as well, and then also at the very end I'm gonna actually add the email, so like, and recently view product. Pretty simple and straightforward, not too hard thing here. Let's click the save option from here, and very important thing here, actually, as you can see, it's moving. So that's 99% people actually want that to make their store. So if you want, then come to me. I'm gonna do it everything for you step by step. That's it. So let's come to the again Shopify, and if I show you, I'm gonna customize this one as well. So I'm gonna create another separate video how I do that. So just all you have to do, just subscribe my channel, and in future any type of content you're looking for, please subscribe. Okay, and then also if I show you the preview, then you will see this loop. Let's go. Okay, so guys, look at this. There's the title, there's the price, and then also here's the variant and limited stock, and this is moving trust page, description. Yeah, I could add the shipping and privacy policy, but this page will be too much longer, so that's why I don't want that. So here's, I will add this some shipping information at the very bottom. So, and then also here's our why issues. I'm gonna also fix that. I'm gonna add those content as well. So guys, that's pretty much it of our video. So if you really like this video, please subscribe my channel, and in future any type of content you are looking for, let me know into the comment box. If you have any question, go to my agency website, message me directly on WhatsApp. That's it. Thank you for watching this video so far. Have a nice day.